Before actually going out and exporting out your video from Adobe Media Encoder, what you can also do is add in Lumetri Look options right from within Adobe Media Encoder. So I have a file right here. Let me just go around and click on this format right here to open up export settings. Then around over here on the right hand side, you can see that I got the video settings. So simply go to effects right here. Scroll down and you can see Lumetri Looks. You can go ahead and enable this, and once you do that, none is applied right now, but you can go ahead and select another look that you want, and immediately you can see like the video look changes out. You can go ahead and choose, let's say for example, this one or this one right here. So there's different presets that you can actually go ahead and then add it in right here just like this. And even what you can do is if you have a Lumetri Look, you can import it out by loading it out from over here. So for that, I'm going to go around over here. You can see that the Explorer window opens up. So now what I can do is go to the folder where I have my LUTs stored. And you can see that I got some LUTs like LUTs green. Let me open it up right here. And you can see that that is applied right here just like this. And this is how the output would be. So that is simply how you can go ahead and add in Lumetri Looks right from within Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.